So today I'll be showing you how to set up your Redmi Note 15 Pro by transferring all your data from an older Android phone. So this is very simple. All you have to do is bring your older Android phone next to your Redmi Note 15 Pro and then switch it on. And then now let's start the setup process. Now this is the first screen you're going to see once you turn on the phone for the first time. So you want to tap on that little arrow, select your language, tap on next, choose your region, tap on next, and then of course you'll have the terms and conditions which you should read, and then tap on that check mark and then tap on next. Now on this next page, it says set up using another device. You can choose whether that device is an Android phone or an iPad or iPhone. Okay. Now on your older Android phone, you should see a pop-up telling you to set up new device. So you want to go ahead and tap on setup on your older Android phone. And now a QR code will appear on the Redmi Note 15 Pro and a QR code scanner on the older Android phone. And all you have to do is pick up the older phone and scan the QR code. So it's going to say verify it's you. So basically you enter the passcode you normally use on the older Android phone onto the Redmi Note 14 Pro. So I'm going to enter my older phone password. And then once it verifies that it's me, it's going to transfer the data. For instance, you can see it's already transferred the Wi-Fi connection. It's going to transfer some more data across to the other phone. So just be patient. So right now I'm being prompted to copy apps and data. So that's exactly what I want to do. That's why I'm transferring all my data. So I'll tap on next. And then it says getting ready to copy. It says here, continue setup on your Redmi Note 15 Pro. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. Now you have two options here, either Express, which will copy all the data, or Customize, which allows you to select the data you want to copy over or to transfer over. Now I'll just leave it on Express and tap on copy. So now it's copying data. At this point, it's going to prompt you to either set up fingerprint or face unlock. I'm going to skip that for now and then proceed with the setup process. You can see it's already transferred my Google account from this phone into this one. So read the Google services, tap on accept, and then it says Google services backup device. So you can choose your backup if you want to. I'm just going to turn on backup for myself, and then it says continue setup, and then tap on continue. Let contacts and nearby find and share with you. Now at this point it's just personal preference. Now keep in mind that in the background this is copying my data over to this phone. So we have the Google Gemini. You can hit continue. You can set that up later. So I'm gonna select no thanks, and then it's loading. No thanks. And now all I have to do is just wait for it to finish copying the data over. All right. Keep in mind that the amount of time it takes to copy mainly depends on how much data you had on your older Android phone. Now for me, it says 23 minutes. So I'll be back a bit later. I'm just going to go and have a cup of coffee and wait for this. Now with the copying finished, you can see everything that's been copied. That's going to be 55 apps are copied, messages, call history, contacts, photos and videos, music and other audio, and device settings. So that's everything that has been transferred. So you just tap on done, and now our phone should be getting ready. Now the rest of it is just Redmi stuff, your basic settings, which you can change later. You have your font settings, you have your screen lock setup. You can skip that for now. I'm gonna choose the app drawer, tap on next, and then I still have a ton of recommended apps which I'm gonna just uncheck. Okay, so I'm gonna uncheck that. I don't need that. I don't need most of these things. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in and check everything I do not need, just like that, and then tap on next. And then again, I'll choose gestures over buttons. If you like buttons, then you can choose that as well. Tap on next, and now we are good to go. Now on this side, we can simply tap on close. The phone is still functional with all the apps. I can put this away now and finish this setup process here. Once it's completely done, I can log in and tap on continue. Setup is complete now. It should load up the apps and all the data from the previous Android phone. There you go. Let's check the apps. Yeah, all the apps are here. We have Instagram, Facebook, everything from the previous phone is here, including YouTube Studio. So that is basically how to transfer all your data from an older Android phone while setting up your Redmi Note 15 Pro. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us down in the comment section. Good luck.